Hello and welcome. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. Are you a maintenance supervisor looking to take your career to the next level? Stick around as we dive into some top-notch certifications that can give you an edge in both the technical and managerial aspects of your job. We're going to explore the CMRP, CMP, and CPMM certifications, revealing what they entail and how they can benefit you. Let's get started. First, let's discuss the CMRP certification. This highly recognized program is offered by the Society for Maintenance and Reliability Professionals. It tests your knowledge in 5 crucial areas: business and management, equipment reliability, manufacturing process reliability, organization and leadership, and finally, work management. To secure this certification, you'll need to pass an exam that measures your aptitude in these 5 areas. Next, we have the CMP certification. Provided by the Institute of Maintenance Innovation, it's designed for maintenance supervisors with extensive experience in maintenance work, including supervisory roles. To qualify for this program, you'll need to meet one of the following prerequisites. You either need to have the Certified Maintenance Technician 3 certification, or a high school diploma or GED and 7 years of industry experience, including 2 years as a supervisor, or a technical school diploma plus 5 years of experience, including 2 as a supervisor. To earn this certification, you'll need to pass an exam with a score of 70% or higher. This exam will test your knowledge in areas like industrial safety, computers, the supervisor's role, spoken and written communication, improving performance, and work authorization. Lastly, let's talk about the CPMM certification. This one is a bit more industry-specific and is offered by the Association for Facilities Engineering. To qualify for the CPMM certification exam, you'll need either 2 years of experience in some supervisory role in a plant or facility, or 3 years of experience in the industry overall. The exam tests a wide range of topics, including maintenance management, maintenance planning and scheduling, preventive and predictive maintenance, safety and health, and CMMS. This certification provides a well-rounded and modern verification that you have what it takes to excel in a supervisory role. So, now that you know about these certifications, how do you choose the right one for you? Well, take a good look through the requirements and knowledge areas of each. Pick the one that you feel will benefit you the most and start preparing for it. Best of luck on your journey to becoming a certified maintenance supervisor. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored the CMRP, CMP, and CPMM certifications and how they can help you advance your career in maintenance supervision. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Don't forget to visit us at upkeep.com to learn more about how we can support your maintenance and reliability teams. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.